Good morning. It's December the 11th, and I'm out here on the Arkansas River backwater area. And I'm gonna try for some crappie. This was an unplanned event. Did not plan on coming out here this morning. There is a little front that's coming through. I thought it was gonna be raining already, but when I woke up this morning and looked at the weather map, it was just in western Arkansas, and wasn't gonna be here for 2 or 3 hours. So spur of the moment fishing trip. That's what this is. This is what I had on last time. It was a Vegas color. This is Bobby Garland bait. It's a 1/16 ounce crappie magic jig head that you get, chartreuse. You get it from Walmart. And of course I got the Bobby Garland from Walmart, and I've got 8-pound high-vis gold Mr. Crappie line. My pole is a B&M ultralight 12-foot with this little cheap crappie hunter reel on here that was given to me a long time ago. I have no idea what the fish are doing, so this is going to be a hunting, chase, and hopefully find them type of trip. Here we go. That took a little bit to get a fish, and I had to work good. It's probably not a very big one though, but I'll take it. It's running with it. Oh my goodness, that's go ahead and get the net. Well, shoot, I don't have my net ready. This is a nice fish. Come on over here. He's hooked right in that bottom lip too. I gotta, oh my goodness, what am I gonna do here? Is it gonna come off on me? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Gotcha. Look at that. I was so lucky right there. So doggone lucky. That's a good slab. Good old wintertime slab right there. White crappie. Pretty nice. Just out of curiosity, there ain't no length limit out here. I had to move off of my other spot over there because it was unproductive. They're a little bit deeper. This is a log, natural log, just laying down there. This one is about almost 12 and a half, 12 and a quarter, 12 and a half. I don't know if we can see that or not. But here we go. Got us another one on here. What we got here? A little bit smaller. It's still a nice crappie though. White crappie. We'll go ahead and throw that one back. And release on him. And go back down there and tell the rest of them not to bite that black and chartreuse thing. Here we go. Ooh, the line went slack. Did it come off? Came off. Oh no, he's still on there, just a little crappie. Oh. This is what I was catching back in the summertime, these little ones off of here. I think I need to get a little bit deeper down on that log. Maybe where the bigger ones are hanging out at. There we go. Look like a decent one. And I do have my net this time. Ooh. He's hooked all right. I can just flip him in there. That's a pretty decent crappie right there. Little white crappie. swapped over to this Vegas color right here. The black and chartreuse had done turned off. Pretty decent little white crappie right there. There's another one. It's still on there. Yeah. That's why I didn't feel nothing. I didn't even feel that one on there. I just lifted up my rod and there he was. Let's see what we got on here. Feels like a big one. Like a pretty nice one. Oh yeah. You know what? I didn't learn my lesson from last time, not pulling my he's hooked pretty good, I do believe. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh my goodness, nah, I better reach down there and grab him. He's too big. There we go. Look at that slab right there. My goodness. I sure am glad I decided to come fishing this morning. Let's see how long this one right here is. That is a big slab. Whoo, my goodness. December crappie. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? He's almost 14.5 inches long. Almost 14.5. And I do believe that is a black crappie right there. I don't catch a whole lot of black crappie. Now look how thick that is right there. I mean, golly. She's probably developing some eggs in there. But you know what? There's plenty of fish in the sea. This one's gonna go in the frying pan this morning. Here we go. I don't know if it's still on there. If it is, it's small. Well, I don't know. Yeah, a little smaller. And them right there in that soft spot too. All right, folks. I only get a couple hours of fish. So I got some other priorities that need to be taken care of. But it's a pretty good morning. I wish I could stay out here longer, but I'll just have to come back. End up managing some pretty nice crappie slabs. And I certainly got enough for breakfast this morning. Just stick around, I may do a little crappie breakfast video.